Today I will be unboxing the OEM tow mirrors for my 2015 Chevy Silverado. It should be the same for the, I think from 14 even up to the 2020 trucks, if I'm not mistaken. I believe these will bolt up, but I know for sure they will in the 14, 15, 16, and 17 model. So as you know, if you are a follower of my channel, I did buy a pair of aftermarket tow mirrors, which I'm going to be posting a video on why I purchased these OEM mirrors and why I'm not using the aftermarket mirrors. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and keep up to date with that review. Just kind of a long story short, I ended up purchasing these because I was not happy with the overall performance of the other tow mirrors and just some of the how they were constructed. So we'll go ahead, we'll get started. I just want to show you guys how these GM tow mirrors come packaged from the distributor, which I believe these were from GMPartsDirect.com. I paid, I think it was $600 for everything including the shipping. I picked these up on, when was that? On Monday I purchased these and they came today. So about 5-day delivery. Here. Okay, so right off the bat here, it looks like they give you some more of these nuts with the built-in washers. So these, you actually get 3 of them if you come from the original stock mirrors, like mine were the small field of view mirrors. I believe they're the DL8 mirrors or DL3, one of the two. But these are the tow mirrors that GM offers. So we'll keep those. We'll go ahead and use them. Okay, nice. So they use the sealed air. These are gonna really keep everything protected when they ship them. So we shouldn't have any damage. Alright, so it looks like we'll start with the passenger mirror. And then also I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of the quality of the mirrors, just so you guys know what to expect if you purchase the OEM versus the aftermarket. So, take a look here. Yeah, everything looks good on these. I don't see any damage or anything. So these ones are a little bit different than the aftermarket ones I purchased. These have the OEM amber color. I was thinking about possibly changing those out, but we'll see how they we'll see how they look when they're plugged in. Other than that, I mean, everything looks good. It looks like they sent me the one with the sensor in the mirror, so hopefully that doesn't cause any issues. I wouldn't assume so, but yeah, I'm going to be plugging these in today to see how everything comes out. So I'm going to set this one over here and pull up the next one. So let's see how this one came. Alright, so wrapped up exactly the same way. Driver's mirror. Just going to inspect it for damage. Just a little flake on there, but yeah, everything is good. So yeah, these should work just fine. So yeah, we'll see how everything lines up, and it should line up same way I did want to mention too, there's quite a few videos explaining it, but this stud, if your truck has the standard mirrors, you actually do have to drill an additional hole to mount these mirrors. So this stud does have to be, I don't think you can take it out at all, but just adds for a little bit more security going down the road. Not that they would ever fall off, but it might help with vibration issues. So, alright guys, stay tuned, and I will get these put on the truck, and I'll do another update video with these, and then also keep an eye out for that aftermarket tow mirror review. So, thanks a lot for tuning in.